morning. Universal Studios Orlando Day. You can see a couple of the rides from here. There's a Hulk that's already running. Yeah, nice view up here. Okay, off to Men in Black. Haha, we're at Men in Black Alien Attack or whatever. The queue is super cool. This is kind of like a break room, cafeteria area. Oh, got some aliens on break. That's cool. Wow, this is so cool. Oh, these are the cards. Got it. No touching. No touching. Okay. Oh, wow. It's really cool.
So are these all agents? Photos of agents? Or
But that fella does have one eye, it looks like. That guy also looks a little bit funky.
Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
This is really cool. Ooh, it's hard to get up from these chairs. Wow. Oh, yeah, and then there's a couple of
there's
those.
some in the
Yeah,
back.
okay. Very
That one
cool.
has antennas. I didn't notice that.
That is so cool.
You have some good paperwork. Everyone's
Okay, this is really, really cool. I'm sitting in one of the agent's desks. They even have a trash can. Like, you just sit down.
Oh, it's the can from The Simpsons.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Oh, and coffee.
That's good.
I love it how they have trash cans. That's awesome. Wonder what secret is in here. I think it's just a regular old trash can. Nice. Very, very cool. Oh, this one's broken. No signal. That is really cool. Oh my gosh, we have Bumblebee over here. That is awesome. Oh my gosh, the Easter eggs here are so... Johnson Kang, of course. And we've got what? Michael Innovations. I'm sure there's an Easter egg somewhere in there. Very awesome. And a couple pencils. Cool.
Make sure you do right.
Tips on how to score points on the MIV ride. The gun will keep shooting, so keep your trigger down. Don't worry about having to pull the trigger more than once. And then the ride gives you more points based upon the number of times you hit the same alien. So if you keep getting a hit indicator on the same alien, keep targeting it because it'll rack up your points that way. For each car, when you come around the corner at the very end, there'll be a big monster. You'll get a message to hit the red button. The first person in your car to hit that red button gets a huge bonus. Keep your blaster on target, keep hitting the same guy multiple times over and over and over again, and then be the first one to hit that button and you'll get the high score.
Okay, just got done with Men in Black Alien Attack. This is kind of like the Buzz Lightyear version in Disneyland where, it gives you indication whether or not you hit the target or not. Really, really good cue too. So.
Also want to talk about what just happened. When I rode Men in Black Alien Attack in the past, I've always wanted to find out how to get to the Atrium level. Turns out it's really, really easy, and best of all, it is absolutely free. So get ready for a major tip that you probably didn't know. All you have to do is ask the team member outside the attraction if an immigration tour is possible. Depending on cast member availability, they will either ask you to come back later or wait outside of the attraction. Once the tour guide is available, you'll be led downstairs through an employee-only area, then allowed inside the lower level of the larger room that guests in the queue pass above. Now you can experience the full-scale control room featured in the Men in Black films up close and personal, and wave back to Blue and Bob. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to help support our growing community. If you want more of our out-of-this-world experience, check out our do's and don'ts of the Star Wars Galactic Star Cruiser right here.